What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And tonight, we're actually headed on over to a car meet. Been seeing it for the last few weeks, so I figure I finally hit it up. Didn't have my car the last couple times, but finally got it back. Ain't got nothing else planned, so let's go ahead, head on over there and see what these night meets are talking about. Alright, pulled in. It was one of the early ones here. Wasn't many people here, but we're starting to get some people showing up now. Nobody I recognize just yet, but we will see. We'll see. Definitely some dope cars here. Been a while since I've been at just a regular meet like this. And always let me know what is your favorite car you see here as well. And if you see it in your homies or your car, definitely comment below. Let me know. Much better over here with more light. Also, make sure you take a look at my last video to get entered in contest to win a free underglow. Clean. Coming here. Got the drone up in the air. That's who was backing up. Says CRV. Driving around with the music. This is clean. Got some people who came through, just rolled through and kept going. Got a few who stopping. It looks like we got little clicks here, left and right. Look who made it. Let me go tell them, try to park by me. Missed him airing out. But we're about to get it because he's moving to where I'm at. Hopefully nobody took the spot by now. But he should be able to go straight through. Sheesh, both of those. All three of those are clean. I almost parked by them originally, but decided to come back in and cut when nobody was here. But now, of course, everybody's here. little embarrassing. You know what's going on here. You ain't got no camera? Sheesh, that looks good. I've been wanting to see these lights next to each other. And we're gonna get them airing out too. Never get tired of that. I think that's the Mustang I heard at the light. Right there. Let's see, let's see. Nah, that might not be him. So clean. He had more lighting in his area, but get the full effect with this. When I started walking away, I knew I was gonna miss it. I'm trying to get it from this angle, but it's all good. Got some lights here too, I see. We got perfect parking for the Miata. Perfect.
Apparently this is permitted, right?
Yeah. That's what they say. But all it takes is somebody start doing them donuts. I hear that they always do it too.
Yeah. 20 years later.
Yep. That's clean. Like that Mustang.
Huh?
So I like that Mustang.
I know, I've seen a different
That red looks good. Yeah.
good job.
Crowd control. That's super. That's super spring though. Still don't get tired of seeing those yet.
Still debating whether they work here. Yeah. Is it the manager that works here? Yeah, the manager of Academy Sports is gone. Academy Sports star.
That nigga will all the things. Miata parking.
Got it, brother.
Clear. And it began. $370 started it, and then I don't know what that was, but it started. Yeah, this ain't gonna last.
We're gonna last here for long.
Yeah.
One more time!
Yeah. Yeah. That was. Ah, that was the Jetta. Wow. I know. Sheesh.
Bitch, I'm trying to see some fucking flames on the side of my face.
Yeah, that's clean.
I wasn't part of our group.
Alright. Got the young people out. Hey, clean GTR.
Oh yeah.
Is that VQ? Mustang over there. Definitely caught my eye. Music video? Oh, nice.
Trying to see where.
Yeah. Making his own spot.
I like his stuff. I've actually got his tire shop.
Okay. Oh, that's the one you were talking about. That's clean. think it's pretty much gonna end it though. We're about to head out. Still got people showing up, but we're about to head out. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, have a good one.